1 on top of 2 divided by 1 on top of 4 equal to what? Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comment. Now, some people will solve this equation like this. 1 multiplied by 1 on top of 2 multiplied by 4, which is what? 8. This is the answer some people would get because they multiply these two and multiply these two. This rule did not follow any mathematics law, so it is not correct. Now, to solve this equation, we have to follow the rule that we can use to solve the division of fraction, and that rule use the acronym KCF. The K stands for keep. We are keeping the first fraction. The C stands for change. We change this division to multiplication. And the F here stands for flip. We are flipping this second fraction, 1 over 4 into 4 over 1. To flip means the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the what? The denominator. Now, let's continue. 1 multiplied by 4 will give us 4. And 2 multiplied by 1 would give us 2. Now, what is the common factor here? The GCF is 2. So, we divide the up, that is the 1 on top, which is the numerator, by 2. And we also divide the denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. And 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. In mathematics, 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. Correct answer to this question is 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and like my videos.